In today's evolving creative economy, the art of transforming discarded or forgotten materials into high-demand eco-art masterpieces, especially rustic wall decor, has become far more than a simple design trend. It's a cultural movement that merges sustainability, affordability, and creative expression into one powerful philosophy of making. The beauty of this approach lies not only in the stunning visual results, but in its accessibility. How anyone, from a weekend hobbyist to a professional craftsman, can take part in creating something truly meaningful while fostering both environmental consciousness and economic potential. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of rustic revival ideas by turning reclaimed wood into profitable rustic wall decor for modern homes. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Transforming rustic wall art decor is not about perfection or luxury in the traditional sense. It's about creating beauty with intention, honoring the natural character of wood, and redefining how value is measured in modern craftsmanship. The process speaks to the soul. It's slow, intentional, and deeply personal, connecting the maker with the material and the material with the home it will eventually grace. At the heart of this creative revolution is the concept of accessibility. In a world often dominated by mass-produced goods and industrial design, eco-art from reclaimed wood stands as a reminder that true beauty doesn't require expensive tools or advanced training. With minimal investment, sometimes just salvaged timber, sandpaper, and creativity, an ordinary piece of wood can become a centerpiece of modern living spaces. The charm of rustic wall decor comes from its imperfections. The cracks, grains, and knots tell a story of time, weather, and resilience. Each project is a visual testament to the idea that sustainability can be both practical and profitable, offering makers of all levels the opportunity to build businesses that are eco-friendly yet economically rewarding. The accessibility of materials makes this craft especially empowering for creators in developing or rural communities, where resources may be limited, but creativity is abundant. Economically, the impact of upcycling and transforming materials into sellable art cannot be overstated. What once was waste is now wealth. By using reclaimed wood, artisans dramatically reduce material costs while producing products that command higher market value due to their uniqueness and sustainability. Eco-conscious consumers are actively seeking handmade, meaningful items that align with their values, and rustic wall art fits perfectly within this growing demand. Whether it's a hand-carved panel, a minimalist geometric design, or a distressed plank sign, buyers are willing to invest more in pieces that carry both aesthetic appeal and ethical purpose. For small entrepreneurs and independent creators, this represents a significant opportunity, turning a low-cost material into a high-value commodity that supports both the planet and their livelihoods. Beyond the financial aspect, this creative approach fosters environmental mindfulness. Every reclaimed piece reduces landfill waste, minimizes deforestation, and extends the life cycle of wood, which otherwise might have been discarded. It transforms the act of creation into an act of restoration. Instead of depleting nature's resources, these artists give new life to materials that have already served a purpose. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The resulting decor not only beautifies homes, but also communicates a larger message of responsibility and renewal. A reminder that luxury and sustainability are not opposites, but partners in modern design. This mindset shift, from consumer to creator, from waste to wonder, embodies the kind of forward thinking that is shaping the future of art, design, and business. From a design perspective, rustic wall decor made from reclaimed wood offers incredible versatility. It can complement nearly any style, from bohemian to industrial, from modern minimalism to cozy farmhouse. Its organic tones and textures add warmth to sterile spaces and character to plain walls, making it a favorite choice for designers and homeowners alike. Each creation is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, impossible to replicate, which adds to its value and desirability. This uniqueness is what attracts today's buyers. They aren't just purchasing a product. They're investing in a story, a philosophy, and a connection to nature and craft. Creatively, this practice bridges the gap between art and function. While some rustic wall pieces exist purely for decoration, others serve practical purposes: shelving, key holders, coat racks, or planters, blending utility with beauty. This dual purpose enhances both marketability and satisfaction for the maker. The craft invites experimentation. No two pieces of reclaimed wood are the same, which challenges the artisan to see potential where others see imperfection. Through sanding, staining, carving, and assembling, the maker breathes new life into forgotten materials, crafting objects that inspire mindfulness and admiration. It's an art of transformation, not just in material but in mindset. Equally significant is how this movement nurtures a sense of emotional connection and well-being. Working with wood, its smell, texture, and response to touch creates a calming, almost meditative experience. It's a way to slow down and engage the senses in a world dominated by speed and screens. For many creators, crafting rustic decor becomes a therapeutic outlet, a way to reconnect with something tangible, authentic, and enduring. Buyers, too, sense this emotional depth. A handmade wooden art piece carries the energy and care of its maker, creating an unspoken bond between artist and owner. In this exchange, art becomes more than a product. It becomes a shared story of renewal and appreciation. What makes this field so powerful is its scalability. Whether someone crafts a few small pieces for local markets or builds an online store catering to international customers, the foundation remains the same: sustainable, soulful craftsmanship that values quality over quantity. Social media platforms and e-commerce have amplified this opportunity, allowing even novice makers to reach audiences worldwide. It reminds us that the future of design isn't about consuming more, but about creating better, about crafting pieces that matter. As more makers embrace this path, the boundaries between sustainability and style blur, giving rise to a new era of eco-luxury living, where homes tell stories of renewal and every wall becomes a canvas of purpose. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked rustic revival ideas by turning reclaimed wood into profitable rustic wall decor for modern homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.